Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is ANIMALS animals, AND and THEIR deer, YOUNG young, ONES ones, animals and their young ones. So dear students, humans have a life cycle. In the same way, animals also have a life cycle. In that life cycle, different animals and their young one have different name. So, today I would like to teach you some animals and their young ones. Animals, babies, we say young ones also. So, the first is GOAT, goat, KID, kid, goat, baby, kid. Now I would like to show you the picture. This is the picture of goat and this is the picture of kid. So a newborn baby of goat is called a kid. The mother goat is called a doe or a nanny. And the father goat is called a billy and or a buck. So, goat baby, kid. Now the next is CAT, cat, KITTEN, kitten, cat baby, kitten. See, this is the picture of cat and cat young one is kitten. KITTEN. Now, when the cat young ones are born, they are blind and keep their eyes closed. They will open their eyes in about 10 days or to 14 days after birth. So, you can see in this picture, cat baby, kitten. KITTEN, kitten. Now, the next is DOG, dog. Dog baby, PUPPY, puppy. Dog baby, puppy. You can see in this picture, this is the picture of dog and this is the picture of puppy. So, dog baby, puppy. Dog baby is called puppy and young dogs are called pups or puppies. Now, the next is lion, LION, lion. Lion baby, cub, CUB, cub. Now, I would like to show you the picture. See, this is the picture of lion and the lion baby is this. This is cub. Lion baby, cub. Young one of lion is called cub. Lion baby are born without teeth. The lion babies started to eat meat at about 3 months and are weaned at about 6 months. So, this is the lion and the lion baby is cub. Now, this is deer, DEER, deer. Deer young one is fawn, FAWN, fawn. You can see, my dear student, yes, this is the picture of deer and this is the deer baby, fawn, FAWN, fawn. Young one of deer is called fawn. Fawns are young deer and they are naturally found where deer are most found in fields and meadows in the summer, while in the winter they are generally found in forests. Most fawns are born between the middle of the May and end of the June. Now, so deer young one is fawn. Now, this is Kangaroo, kangaroo. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Kangaroo, young one. Joey, joy. Kangaroo, young one, joy. You can see in this picture. See, my dear, this is kangaroo and this is joy. Kangaroo baby, joy. Newborn joys are just 1 inch long, 2.5 centimeters at birth, or about the size of a grape. After birth, joys travel unassisted through their mom's thick fur to the comfort and safety of the pouch. A newborn joy cannot swallow anything easily. At around 4 months, the joys emerge from the pouch for short trips and to graze on grass and small shrubs. At 10 months, the joys is mature enough to leave the pouch for good. So, this is kangaroo and the kangaroo baby joy. Now, this is cow, C-O-W, cow. Cow, young one is called calf, C-A-L-F, calf. So, you can see, dear students, this is the picture of cow and this is the picture of calf. A baby cow is called a calf. A cow gives us milk and feeds on grass. Its baby calf feed on milk 3 to 6 hours per day. So, the cow baby is called calf. Now, this is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Duck young one is called duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Now, you can see, dear students, duck young one is called duckling. This is the picture of duck and this is the picture of duckling. So, the ducks are aquatic birds. It can live in both freshwater and ponds. Its baby is called duckling. They are born without feathers. They spend 10 hours in water. Now, the next is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep young one is called lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. See, this is sheep young one is called lamb. This is the picture of sheep and this is the picture of lamb. So, students, sheep gives us wool. From where do we get the wool? We get wool from sheep. So, the young one sheep is called lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. A lamb is a younger sheep, less than 14 months. So, newborn sheep is called lamb. Now, this is hen, H-E-N, hen. Hen young one is called chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. H-E-N, hen, and hen young one is called C-H-I-C-K, chick. Now, this is hen young one is called chick. This is the picture of hen and this is the picture of chick. So, we get eggs from hen. We get meat also from hen and young one of hen is called chick. Now, the next is, this is horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse young one is called foal, F-O-A-L, foal. You can see, this is the picture of horse and this is the picture of foal. Young one of horse is called foal. This term is used mainly for horses. We use horse to carry loads. A foal is a horse that is younger than 1 year old. Now, this is goose, Goose, goose. Goose young one is called gooseling, Gosling, gooseling. This is goose young one is called gooseling. This is the picture of goose and this is the picture of gooseling. So, dear students, goose is also called a aquatic animal. It can live in both fresh water and the pond. Its baby is called gooseling. They are born without feathers. Now, this is pig, Pig, pig. Pig young one is called piglet, Piglet, piglet. You can see pig young one is called piglet. This is the picture of pig and this is the picture of piglet. So, a pig lives in sty. They have excellent sense of smell. They like to play in mud and their babies are called piglet. Once they are born, they are immediately able to walk and run. Now, this is elephant, Elephant, elephant. Elephant baby is called calf, Calf, calf. Elephant young one is called calf. Now, you can see this is the picture of elephant and this is the picture of calf. So, dear students, elephant has 4 legs like a pillar and also a long tusk. They are usually black or dark grey in color. Their babies are called calves. It weighs about 250 pounds at birth. They stay very close to their mother for first 2 months. Now, this is camel, Camel, camel. Camel baby is called calf, Calf, calf. So, the camel young one, what we say? Calf. This is the picture of camel and this is the picture of calf. So, a camel is called the sheep of desert as it helps us to travel in desert areas. They are born without camel babies, calf are born without humps. They called their mother with a lamb like bow sound. Now, this is owl, OWL, owl. Owl baby is called owlet, OWLET, owlet. You can see this is the picture of owl and this is the picture of owlet. Owls have large eyes and holes for ears and it can see at night. Its baby is owlet and grow very quickly. Now, this is tiger, Tiger, tiger. Tiger baby is called cub, Cub, cub. So, dear students, tiger young one, what we say? Cub. Tiger is our national animal of India and this is cub. So, tiger feed on flesh of other animals. Its baby is called cub and the weight about 1 kg at birth. Now, this is frog, FROG, frog. Frog young one is called tadpole, TADPOLE, tadpole. Now, the frog young one is called tadpole. This is the picture of frog and this is the picture of tadpole. So, dear students, frogs live on both land and water. It has smooth, moist skin. Its baby is called tadpoles. They live in water. Now, this is monkey. Monkey, monkey. Monkey young one is called infant. Infant, infant. So, monkey young one is called infant. This is the picture of monkey and this is the picture of monkey young one, infant. So, dear students, it is an animal which lives mainly on trees. They have fur on their skin with long legs. Its baby is called infant and are very playful. They can be found hanging on their mother's back. So, the monkey young one is called infant. So, dear students, like this you will study at home animals and their young ones. Thank you.